Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about vaccinated people getting COVID. Well, we all know that COVID-19 vaccines are effective and they're actually a very critical part in bringing the pandemic under control. However, we also know that no vaccine is 100% effective. There's going to always be a small percentage of fully vaccinated people who will either get sick, hospitalized, or even die from COVID-19. So now we're going to jump into an analysis that came out in the Morbidity and Mortality Weekly Report on May the 25th of this year. The CDC investigators, they identified 10,262 cases out of 101 million people that were vaccinated that had a breakthrough in COVID-19 infections. This was found in 46 states, and this was done as of April the 30th, 2021. Now we know things have changed since then to now, which is August of 2021. Up till April the 30th, 2021, 101 million people had been fully vaccinated. The CDC team at that time worked with the state and the local health departments to identify COVID-19 infections in fully vaccinated people. A breakthrough infection was defined as detection of SARS coronavirus 2 RNA or antigen in a respiratory sample from a patient 14 days or more after the final dose of a COVID-19 vaccine. So, a total of 10,262 vaccinated people got infected. 63% occurred in women. The median age was 58, and 27% out of those were asymptomatic. 2% of patients died, and 10% were hospitalized. Of the people who were hospitalized, 29% were hospitalized for a reason which was unrelated to COVID-19 and did not show any symptoms during the surveillance. SARS coronavirus 2 transmission continued to be at high levels in many parts of the country, with approximately 355,000 cases were reported just during the week of April 24 to the 30th. So after that time, vaccine breakthrough infections can occur in a very small fraction of all vaccinated people and also account for a small percentage of our COVID-19 cases. Now, there were two limitations of this analysis, which included potential underreporting of breakthrough cases, and sequencing data was available for only a small proportion of cases, which makes sense. A lot of people who were completely asymptomatic probably didn't go to the hospital, so those people were not categorized in this analysis. As of July of 2021, more than 163 million people have been fully vaccinated. Reports from 49 states showed 6,587 patients who were vaccinated were either hospitalized or died. We'll go a little bit about the death rate. It was 19%, 1,263 out of the 6,587. 20% of the fatal cases are either asymptomatic or not related to COVID-19. The CDC is continuing to lead studies in multiple US cities, and more data will be coming out soon. Now remember that we only have 163 million people vaccinated. We really need to hit that herd immunity, which is well over 70-80% at least minimum for us to kind of get over this hurdle. So don't forget to subscribe, like that button, and then make a comment as well. I will update you when more stuff and more data comes up.